Hi guys, today I would like to share with you some tips to improve your Google search. If you improve your Google search, definitely it is going to improve your productivity and you can do more work in less amount of time. So without much talking, let's get into the details. First tip is to use of quotes. So whenever you put a string inside a quote, uh, while you are searching, that time it will search that particular string as a complete string on all the websites, so that whatever you are searching, you will find it as is as there. So let's see that in action. Let me just copy the example. So now if you come here and if you just search for puppy dog and sweaters, you can see you have small dog sweater and some kind of links you are getting, but you are not getting exactly what the string you want. So if you put it into double quotes, then you search, and you will get all the website where the same complete string is present and your search is more granular. So here you can see you have found out all the links where the complete string that you want to search is present. Next, I would like to share with you is hyphen. Hyphen, if you add to your words that you are searching, then except those words, it will search for all the other content. Let's understand an example of these Mustang cars. So for example, if I search with Mustang, Mustang is a car as well as a horse. So if you want to get all the horses information, then you can give hyphen car. So let's see that in action. So for example, if I type Mustang, I just type Mustang, I will get all the images of car. But if I don't want car, then give hyphen and click enter. So I got the images of horse also, horse. So that's why I have granularized my search and avoided some information which I don't want by providing an hyphen. Next tip is of specific site. For example, if you want to search on some information on a specific site, then you have to mention it as site and the site name. Let's take this example. If I search JMS, then I have given the site name as mynewpega.com. Then it will search JMS content on only on this site. So here you can see JMS related information is found out only on this website, which is mynewpega.com. Similarly, most of the time developers use Stack Overflow. So if you give site Stack Overflow, then regarding this information, regarding this topic, you can see on Stack Overflow, we have directly searched on that site and we got all the information which is present. Next tip is asterisk wildcard. So if you don't know some words in between, you can specify them as asterisk and you can search the string. Google will fill this asterisk with the random strings, and you may get your optimized answer. So if you don't know, if you want to some words in between, if you are not sure, then you can mark it as asterisk. When you search this, you will get all the middle information. For example, see, come together right now over me. So Google has searched this star instead of star. Google has searched added some words there and searched for you. So this is also one of the way to search the required information. Next tip is and or. So let's see. So if you want to search either both the words on one string on one website, or then you can put these words into double quotes and put an and between them. So it will give us a result where on those sites where both these words are present. Okay, so that way you can optimize your search. Second thing, if you put it or here, then if either one of the word or both the words are present, it will give you the list of all those websites. So you can see if the book is present on this website, it has directly given you this link, as well as if all the words are present in this site, it has given that. So that is the use of and or. So last but not the least, the type of file. So for example, if you are searching for some PDF files or some PPT files, then you can put your keyword and specify the file type. So for example, if you in action, so for example, if you are writing Gandhi and if you type file type PDF, then you get all the information related to Gandhi on PDF format. So here you can see all the links are here, which are of PDF only. Same way, if you can make it PPT, you will get all the PPTs related to that keyword. So here you can see PPT, PPT, and PPT. So all the PPTs. So these were the one of the important tips. Hope these tips would have helped you to improve your Google search. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.